Fixing a chip in a BMW windshield. Removing moisture. Flexing the legs to make sure all the resin is inside of it to prevent further cracking. This chip got multiple legs. It is called a star crack, so we gotta make sure all these legs are filled properly. Otherwise, it will crack out later. So we make sure all the crack is filled 100% before we can call it a full repair. So now, after completely fill the brake all the way to the tip of the hairline cracks, then we now proceed to cure it. The curing process will prevent the crack from spreading by hardening the resin 100%, and to restore the structural integrity 100% plus. However, the cosmetic will improve up to 70 to 80% for this type of brake, which is a modest improvement. The main purpose is that the chip will not spread out any further. That's the main thing, and saving you time and money. Now we are in the final process of the repair. Now we are sealing the pit with some pit filler. So now we are going to scrape the pit filler off. So what we do is we put a little bit of glass cleaner to make the area slick. While we scrape the pit filler off the glass, we polish it at the same time. Hey, you see right in front of your eyes that I just finished fixing a star chip in the windshield. Look at the modest improvement. Almost invisible, but not totally. Applying some pit polish to smooth out the pit filler right here. This allows the wiper blade to move smoothly across the chip without cutting the edge. There you go. Now, if you guys need windshield repair, a chip or crack in your windshield, don't go nowhere else. Give Clarke Spotless Windshield a call, 718-533-6142. Real-time windshield repair. No gimmicks.